How to solve the Samsung refrigerator's fan noise issue. Is your Samsung refrigerator making an annoying fan noise? Don't worry, we've got simple steps to solve it. Things to inspect. If only one front wheel of the fridge is touching the ground, it's not properly leveled. Raise the front to its maximum height, then level it from left to right. An uneven fridge can cause the fan to spin off-center, creating noise. Make sure the seals on your fridge doors are clean and undamaged. If the seals aren't airtight, the fridge will have to work harder to stay cool. Keep food at least 5 centimeters away from the back vents to prevent frost buildup. If blocked, you'll need to manually defrost the fridge.